Inventory transfers in the IntelliQ Data Point of Sale system is easy to do, but what's important is that the integrity of the audit trail is maintained throughout the transfer process. In order to transfer inventory from one location to another, you simply go to POS, Inventory, Transfers, New to create a new transfer order. This transfer order is going to look very similar to the purchase order system, so employees should be familiar with this if they're receiving purchase orders. What we're going to first do is select from where the transfer is occurring, and then we're going to select to where the transfer is going. So we're going to go from location 1 to location 2, and this is just going to be a shipment or a pickup, so we'll just call it a shipment. The creator is me, the IQ admin, and then the date and time of the transfer order. We're going to select the category of the items that we're going to choose to transfer, and in this case we're going to do phones. We're going to just transfer one of our Apple iPhone 4S 16 gig blacks. So we're going to select one, very similar to we're going to do a purchase order, except we're going to add this to the transfer order. Now we've got this item ready to transfer. In order to proceed, we're going to click continue to go to the shipping information. So now that we've selected the item that we're going to send from location 1 to location 2, we need to scan in the ESN of the actual device that we're going to send. So if we know we're sending an iPhone and we have 5 of them in stock, we need to specify which ESN we are going to send. So we're going to select. We need to find an ESN. So let's go to Reports, Inventory, Detail. And we're going to select this item. Okay. Okay, now we've selected that one. We're going to go ahead and add this to the order. So we have Apple iPhone 4S 16 gig black, test ESN. This is the ESN that we received from Brightpoint via purchase order number 8, and we have a price of $599.99. So we can select the means in which we're going to ship the item out, put any tracking information if there's a shipping charge, and then any notes to the receiving party. Once we're good, we're just going to click ship, and the purchase order has been created and now it is in transit. If we go to our dashboard, you can see our dashboard doesn't say anything, but if location 2 goes to their dashboard, they have a transfer order. They have 8 transfer orders actually that are waiting to be received. If we click on that, you will see the most recent transfer order that we created, which is the one that we just created, which is transfer order 21. To receive these items, they have to receive the transfer order the same way they would receive a purchase order. This completes the audit trail so that we don't lose data from transfers one location to another. So the individual employee would come in and receive the goods, or click the receive goods icon, and then they would scan the item. So we're just going to highlight and scan it here. Quantity is 1, and then we're going to just scan in this ESN to complete the transfer. Submit it, and we have now received that inventory into location 2. If we click on the ESN history now, we should see the reflection of the transfer, and there you have it. So now, instead of just being limited to purchase order 8 and then it's stopping, we now have the received transfer order from number 21. We created the transfer order at location 1, and then we received the transfer order at location 2. So the movement of the phone is completely tracked in the IntelliQ system. Anytime I transfer or sell a device or create a device through a purchase order, it's always going to have the audit history. All we need to do now is finish the PO, and it has now been received. And back on our dashboard, we only have 7 transfer orders to receive now. So that is how you receive inventory transfers in the IntelliQ system.